How to change your name on Google Meet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your name on Google Meet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So Google Meet's name, or the name that is displayed when you join a meeting in Google Meet, is actually your name that you have on a Google account. So if you want to change that, you'll need to change your Google account's name altogether. For that, head over to this icon on the top right, then tap on Manage your Google account. Then you'll be redirected to myaccount.google. And after you're here, head over to Personal Info on this left sidebar. After you've done that, you will then see your name. So tap on the name option. And after you tap on the name option, you can then simply change your name. So let that load. Let's go here again on the name. And then you can now change your name. So I won't be changing much. I'll just be adding my last name and then tap on save. Doing that, now whenever you join your Google Meet or any meeting, this name is the one that will be displayed. And yeah, it's that simple. That is basically how you do this, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.